A significant drug bust occurred in Midrand, South Africa, where police seized 20 million worth of cocaine. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the operation was conducted by a multidisciplinary team led by the Crime Intelligence Head in collaboration with other law enforcement units. Now, 80 kilograms of cocaine worth 20 million were seized. The drugs were smuggled into South Africa from a neighboring country. Now, the cocaine was destined for Cape Town in the Western Cape. A 56-year-old believed to be the owner of the plot was arrested at the scene. Now, the suspect faces possible charges of possession and dealing in drugs, and the police received intelligence about drugs being stored at a plot in Blue Hills, Midrand. A search warrant was obtained and the property was raided, leading to discovery of the cocaine hidden in a storage room. Now, the successful operation demonstrates the effectiveness of coordinated efforts between police units in tackling organized crime. The suspect is expected to appear before the Midrand Magistrate Court later this week. Now, police are continuing the investigation to determine the full extent of the drug network and potential involvement of other suspects.